Let's have a quick look at profiles. You can set 10 profiles up here. I'm using about 8 or 9, I believe. The idea is that you can either accumulate all of the brand items, standard banners that you use for each show, for example, and have them as a profile. If you only do one show, you probably only need the default profile. But if, like me, you do multiple shows and some of those shows have multiple options within them, then you can create multiple profiles, each one being pertinent to the individual show. So, for example, let's have a look at Rokk Review. Now, Rokk Review, let's hide Abby, has a distinct look to it, a different background, a logo, and of course a little scrolling ticker down there. And we've also got a bunch of banners, which we'll have another look at in a second, which have been designed to work in that specific profile. If we go back, I've also got another show called Stadia Rokk Show, which we've seen earlier, and that one has multiple sections. It has a news section, it has a game review section. So I've set up different profiles for each of those sections, and each of those profiles has its own overlay. You could just bring those overlays in within the show, but by having them as profiles, it means you've only got to go very quickly to your profiles and click to enable it rather than dig through menus to find your overlays. So for example, if we go to Pro Tip here, we'll see that we've got the banner, the background, a main banner down here that's and that tells us what the show element is called, and a banner up here that does the same job when that one disappears. If I then choose a different one, let's go to Judge John. Similarly, those two elements have changed. Equally, other aspects like the videos that I've got uploaded for those sections, they also are changing for each of those profiles. So I can set all this up ahead of time and not have to worry about it when we're about to go live. And that's the key thing.